we have the entire suspension buttoned up. Yeah, yep, buttoned up on the left side. Then coming on the right side, suspension buttoned up. We have even a height sensor right there. Yeah, and I kind of got it straightened up ish, so I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully you guys can see that. So this is that side, and then coming on this side, same thing. It seems like straight, so hopefully everything is straight, so we can, you know, manage to get at least to the alignment chop, where, you know, they're gonna do alignment and get it 100% straight, not ish straight. But yeah, everything in the front is buttoned up and ready to go. You know, time to get the radiator, which is like right here with this big intercooler. But I'm thinking, let's remove the intake manifold from here, boom, and clean up those valves. I went to the local store and I got some valve cleaner and stuff, B12, yeah, I don't know, I got some cleaners, you know, cheap stuff. So usually this here is done with the walnut blasting and stuff, but you know, looking videos and stuff like that, like people are spending so much time and money to walnut blast them, and it's kind of tricky, where if, you know, if walnut drops into your cylinders, that's a no-no. But if this thing drops in your cylinder, you know, it will burn out. It's not good, but it will burn out, you know. And I mean, we're not gonna dump, you know, a bunch of, you know, chemicals in it. Just, you know, after cleaning all of that, if it drops a little bit, it drops, you're gonna get burned out. So easy peasy. This car currently it's 85,000 miles, 84, something like that. I'm pretty curious to take this out and see what's the deal. Especially, I don't know if you guys can really see that, but right here, after this, you know, valves and stuff, it was super oily in the back. And oh, actually right here, you guys can see, this is my pipe to the intercooler right there. And you guys can see right here, you know, it's, yeah, it's not good. People are removing all these cables, moving them up there and left and right, and disconnecting this and that and all of, like what are you guys doing? Just unplug the freaking computer out of the way and just, like, you know, I don't know, it wasn't that bad. But let me show you now why we're doing that. The first, it's not that bad. Then the second one, right in there, you guys can see that's not that bad as well. Then we're going to number 3. That's one got a little bit, you know, build up. Hope you guys can see that on the camera. Then number 4, I believe, yep, that's number 4 right there. It gets a little bit worse. Then number 5 right there. Number 5, it's, yeah, that one has a pretty good build up. And then number 6, I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, right there. You guys can see the sixth one, it's the most, you know, the one that has a lot more build up than all of them. Now we need to make sure before we spray the chemicals in that we have everything closed up. But to be able to do that, we need to spin the engine. To be able to spin the engine, we need 22 socket, and we need to put it right here. But obviously, you know, we can't put it there because we have this fancy washer. That's how I call it. So yeah, can't do that. So the idea is to jump the starter a little bit, and little by little, just to make sure we have everything closed up. When we have everything closed up, boom. So let me show you what am I talking about. So right here on the bottom, we have this white wire right there. Boom. I have this little thing right here. I'm gonna put it right there. And the idea behind it is to jump it. And to be able to jump it is we need to touch the positive right there. So yeah, yep. I guess something like that. Number 6 is open. Yeah, it is freaky kicky, but we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Finally they're clean. And yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell from that mess. It was a experience, let's put it that way. It was experience. And then quick tip, guys, if you guys are doing something like that, you better, you know, do something like the way how I did it, you know, the vacuum and this tube, because it's gonna be a lot better to suck off the gunk and nastiness. And that way, you know, honestly, when you spray a brake cleaner in it, it dries a lot more quicker and faster, and yeah, it looks more pristine. But let me show you what am I talking about. Hopefully you guys can see that right there. There we go. Let me show you a different one. This is much better. That's it. There we go. Boom. Yeah, nice and clean. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera. All of them, no gunk, No, nothing. Even the last one right there, I had to clean it twice. But yeah, you guys can see now it's like nice and clean. Check it out. Yep, it's 11 o'clock. So tomorrow I need to wake up early. Need to go to work 5 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, fun. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna plug that real quick, and then tomorrow morning I'm gonna put everything back together. Boom, and the magic happens. Just like that, it's another day. I think kind of went overboard, but it's nice to have clean stuff and, you know, stuff that looks like new. Like, look at it. I'm kind of amazed. Like, my brother was totally right. You know, this too works super nice on plastic. And yeah, look at it. It looks like new, like brand new. Look at it. But I want to show you something before I continue. Usually when you do a job like that, you have to change all the gaskets. In my case, these gaskets looks like brand new. Like, look at this guy, like shiny, like, and it's like not squished, nothing. This guy right here, same thing, exactly like new, exactly like new. So yeah, let's continue. Let's put all of that together and let's button up all of this craziness here. I really want to cry for like 5 minutes, like, cause this is ridiculous. That's why people buy, you know, name brand and not just like Chinese eBay stuff. So for the last, I don't know, maybe an hour, maybe 2 hours. First, I needed to go to the store and get this bolt right here. Yeah. So this, I believe, it's a direct port for methanol injection. So right now, I'm not putting that. Later on, maybe, but yeah, that's not the big deal, you know. This bolt, yes, okay, I got a bolt. Then coming over here, I have to get these 2 little bolts for the sensor, you know, right there, boom. You know, same thing. I'm there, I'm gonna grab it, not big deal. But coming back, and I'm like, okay, everything is all good. You guys can see how clean it is. Everything is nice, you know. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna just slide this pipe here and then call it good. No, that didn't work like that. Apparently, this thing here was too thick, this edge. So yeah, I had to grab my Dremel and start, you know, sanding and everything was in little aluminum pieces or whatever is this thing, you know, and I'm sanding. Oh my gosh, finally I got it fit in. Now everything gets in metal pieces. Now I need to go and clean it because you don't want metal pieces in your engine. Yeah, I'm pissed. I'm telling you. Friday night, what am I doing? Putting this crap together. Yeah, I just like, oh my gosh. But finally it's done. Since it's done, let me put it in real quick. This thing right here is like 50 bucks. You kidding me? Unreal. Now, that is good. This is good. Boom. Brand new one, 50 bucks. It's unreal. Like, I know it's me, or maybe because I'm rebuilding this car in the middle of inflation and everything seems like outrageous. Because I remember when I was building my 760 and it was a V12, like that thing was like 20 bucks. I was like 50. For reals. Call me crazy. I mean, I am crazy, but you know what I mean. Okay, everything is connected. Let me just crank the car for a little bit, just so we can, just to see if the belt's gonna pop out in my face and just slap me, you know? Go figure. And my battery died. Today's not my day. What can I say? But we buttoned up everything. Everything is good to go. Finally, we can start building the 3-inch intake. So we're gonna take this 3-inch pipe right here and we're gonna continue it down to the intercooler, to the 1000 horsepower intercooler. I'm gonna do that. And then the other side, the turbo, is gonna come down and connect to the intercooler as well. And then we need to figure out how we're gonna change this pipe right here and get it out and route and put a custom filter and do a custom pipe and everything. So we can have a whoosh, I think. I don't know, we'll see. Don't forget, guys, to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for videos like this and projects like this. See if we can get them finished or see if they're gonna blow up in my face, basically, because I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm still doing it. Don't forget the most important thing, guys. If I can do it, you guys can do it. I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.